Do you season fishes before frying? My answer is yes. Hey Yummy, welcome to another day of sharing my recipes. My name is Yummy Cash and you're welcome to this channel. So, before frying fishes, I always love to season it with some herbs and spices just to enhance the flavor and richness of the fishes. And for the sake of presentation, scrape the scales and cut the fins of the fish. And also cut all the gills and don't forget the gutting process, that is the process of removing the waste from the chest, I would say, of the fish. And also this fish has already been worked on, so I don't need to do much of a work. Now after cutting all the gills and everything that I think is not needed, I'll then make some slits on the fish, and I'm making 3 slits on each side of the tilapia. So this process can be done on any type of fish that you want to fry, be it mackerel, be it catfish, any type of fish that you want to, fry, be it mackerel, be it tilapia, salmon, any type of fish. Just repeat the same process that I'm doing and you are going to get a very flavorsome, flavored, nice and beautiful fish. So I'm done making 6 slits in total on this one tilapia, and I'll repeat the same and wash it nicely. After, I'll put the oil on fire for it to heat and then continue with the fishes. Back to the fishes, I'll pat them dry with a paper towel, and I'll do well to make sure that every corner of the fish is well cleaned and patted dry. You might be asking why am I patting the fish dry, making sure everywhere is dry before frying it. This is just to ensure a right texture is achieved when the fish is fried. You know, oil and water don't agree together, right? If you don't have paper towel at home, you can even use your towel, a very clean, neat towel that you've not used on your body or your napkin, to pat them dry. Now I am done drying the fishes. I'll start applying the spices to them. And in case you've not seen the video on how I made the spices, kindly check this channel or down in the description. I'm gonna leave a link there for you to watch, or go straight to that particular video for you to watch on how I made this. They are simple, healthy spices we all can find in our kitchen pantries. I'll start rubbing it on the sides of the fish and also in the slits that I made. I'll make sure to rub every place, every corner, every part of the fish with this spice, and that spice is heavenly. It brought out the flavor, the richness, the taste of the tilapia. And I must say, this spice is good for any type of fishes that you want to fry. You understand? It is not only for tilapia, for all type of fishes. You can as well marinate it after rubbing the spices on the fish for some time before frying it. So I'm done rubbing it. I'll gently lower it in the hot oil that is already on fire and then fry it till it is well fried. And when you fry it and it looks like it is getting burnt, do not worry. It is the spices, you understand? Thank you so much for watching this video. After you are done frying your fish, enjoy with anything that you are going in for. Thank you once again. I'm gonna see you in my next video, but before I leave you, always remember to do everything in love, as in 1 Corinthians chapter 16 verse 14. Cheers.